All right, I am coming at you fresh out of the shower, just got done self-tanning and blow drying my hair, but I am shook, completely shook by the two products I just used to achieve this insane amount of volume I have in my hair. I have to show you. Now, I bought these with my own money because TikTok Shop influenced me. The first one being extra large Bombshell Volumizer. And the second product I use is Raise the Root Thickening and Lift Spray. I suppose I should mention the brand. I'm just so excited. So the brand is Wow or Color Wow. And the product you can see here, I'm just applying the first one, the Raise the Root, at my roots. And I know you're all going to come at me with how I say that word. I live in Minnesota and I can't help it. The second one is a more of a mousse consistency. And I'm also just applying that at my roots and rubbing it in. Then I just took my brush and combed it through just to kind of evenly coat all my hair. Now these products are heat activated, so blow drying is a must. So they say you need to blow dry and apply tension. So I am just using my brush here to over direct the hair. Before it's finally dry, I'm going in with my round brush, and this is just gonna create like maximum volume and tension at the base so you can really get that lift. And this is no joke, the first time I used these and I was shook. Like genuinely shook at the volume that I just achieved from blow drying my hair. Like, just insane. Like, watch this flip. What in the world is that? That is craziness.